everyone. Today, our group will present to you a social experiment on sleep deprived. Alright, what is sleep deprived? Sleep deprived means you're not getting enough sleep. An adult should get around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, which is quite rare nowadays and has become one of the reasons why a lot of people are facing health problems. The video will explain further about our topic.
Hi, I'm Auniwardia from K10. Our group is doing a social experiment on sleep deprived. So, who are these people that actually face sleep deprived? Is actually Malaysians. Since our survey is conducted in Malaysia, and we find that a lot of Malaysians are actually going through this. Okay, why do this happen? Is possibly is because of work. Some people might spend most of their time at work, and when they come back home, they are still thinking about the work that they need to get done by tomorrow or the week after. So their mind are constantly thinking about work and they don't get enough rest. Furthermore, it's probably about study. Usually it happens for students when they think a lot about their exams and their assignments and they don't get enough sleep. Probably also about money crisis. If we have problems such as money crisis, we tend to think even more. So once we think, we'll end up not having enough rest, and it will eventually make us face this social problem, which is sleep deprived. Our survey was conducted on the 15th of August 2020, and we managed to gain a lot of respondents from this particular survey. Which will actually be shown in the slides that are coming later on. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Lena Ain, and in this presentation, I'm going to explain about the hypothesis. Based on the hypothesis that I've written, lack of sleep could disturb someone's mental and physical health, therefore affecting their everyday daily tasks. It is no secret that sleeping is important for attention, concentration, reflex making, and judgment. Hence, you get enough quality sleep each night. You should be able to sustain alertness and focus for much of the day. However, if you don't, you may struggle to function optimally at work, at home, or anywhere else, and you may not be as sharp, productive, or creative as you would like to be. This is the reason why sleep-deprived people are at a higher risk for injuries. Sleep also plays a role in the consolidation of memory and the process of storing information in the memory bank. Not having sufficient sleep could bring to short-term memory loss. Therefore, sleep is very important.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Abang Azli Razman bin Abang Ahmad from K10. I'm going to talk about our research method for our social experiment, which is sleep deprivation. So there are two types of methods that we're going to conduct. The first method is survey through Google Forms. So we're going to use a Google form to collect information from users through a personalized survey or quiz. So we're going to send our form to others and collect their responses. Next, we are going to conduct our research through interviews. So there are several participants that we managed to find, which is Ahmad Zaril from K9, Muhammad Zul Asharil bin Zulazan Shah, Intan Nur Aquila from K3, number 4 Nur Najwa bin Muhammad Isa from K10. So these participants voluntarily answer a few questions that have been given to them. We recorded them answering the question, which we're going to show to you in a second.
Hi, I'm Intan Nur Aquila binti Ismail. I'm from K03.
Okay, how long have you been suffering from insomnia or sleep deprived?
I've been sleep deprived since the start of foundation.
How do you feel after waking up?
Sometimes I feel really tired and just lack of energy. Sometimes I feel quite okay.
What types of factors make your sleep problem worse?
Just the fact that I have a lot of work to do, and I really just can't sleep until all of it are done, or at least some of it.
Have you noticed any differences since you're having sleep deprivation?
I've noticed that my eye bags are getting worse, and sometimes I feel like my face just looked really, really tired and like a zombie.
Okay, how many hours do you usually sleep?
On an average, it's 4 hours. Sometimes I don't sleep at all, maybe an hour or two. Sometimes I do get sleep, but it's really rare, like full, proper sleep, unless it's weekends.
What do you do when you can't fall asleep or return to sleep?
I'll scroll Twitter until I feel sleepy.
What does insomnia have an impact on your daily mood?
I get irritated really easily, and I'm just emotional sometimes. I just feel sad. I don't have the energy to feel happy anymore.
Alright, that's all. Thank you very much.
How long have you been sleep deprived?
I think it started when I was in high school, since I was in Form 4, I think, yeah.
What types of factors that make your sleep problem worse?
I think when I'm stressed, because when I'm stressed, I will keep thinking about things that bothers
Have
me.
you noticed any difference?
Like my eye bags, of course. Since my sleeping schedule changed, but so does my skin condition. That's the most noticeable thing lah.
What do you do when you can fall asleep?
Sometimes I will eat, but as usual, like everyone else, I'm gonna play with our phone.
What does insomnia has impact to you?
Nothing much. Yeah, nothing much really, because I've been facing this for a long time. So maybe my body has been adapting to this situation. It's my daily routine. But if I'm really tired, I'll get really cranky and moody. Yeah.
How long have you been suffering from insomnia?
I've been suffering insomnia since I was 12.
How do you feel after waking up?
I feel tired.
What type of factors make your sleep problem worse?
It's because of depression and overthinking.
Have you noticed any differences since you're having sleep deprivation?
Yes,
How you look and your characteristics?
I stopped caring about my sleep cycle, and I care about everything less than before.
How many hours do you usually sleep?
2 to 3.
What do you do when you can't fall asleep?
I just lay down.
What does insomnia have impact on your daily mood?
I sleep in my class every day.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Zari Haris and I am from Kenya. I've been suffering from insomnia for a few months ever since I left my high school, because I think my body feels tired every day. Maybe because I usually exercise every day in high school, and then I stopped exercise after I left my high school, so I think that's the problem or one of the factors. I usually feel tired early in the morning, because even though I sleep late or not enough hours, I will wake up in the morning feeling tired, which will affect my daily routine. I even wake up fresh, but in the middle of the day I will feel tired. Internally I will feel unhealthy, I feel tired, I usually become emotional, but for outside I have face breakouts which make me less confident. I usually sleep for 3 to 4 hours. That may be enough for some people, but for me I need to rest and I need to have at least 7 hours of sleep.
Hi, I'm Shazana Izatif. I'm a law student and I'm from K16.
How long have you been suffering from insomnia?
I've been suffering from insomnia since I was 13, which is in 2015.
How do you feel after waking up?
I feel tired and sleepy.
What type of factors make your sleep problem worse?
The stressful environment and mostly overthinking.
Have you noticed any difference since you are having sleep deprivation?
Yes, I've become less impatient and more agitated, and I am more likely to get angry at people.
How many hours do you usually sleep?
Of 3 to 4 hours.
What do you do when you cannot fall asleep or return to sleep?
I watch YouTube videos and I listen to nature sounds.
What does insomnia have impact on your daily mood?
Insomnia makes me less creative, I guess, and I can't think properly if I don't get enough sleep.
Hi everyone, my name is Nuraja Muhammad Isa and I'm a student taking Foundation E-Law UiTM Dinkil and I'm from Group K10. I'm going to make a summary from my group social experiments result. There are 3 main sleep complaints from our respondents. The first one is trouble falling asleep, which 79 out of 153 respondents said they had experienced this. The second one is during the day, which 59 respondents agree that they are facing this problem, and the third one is trouble remaining asleep during the night, which another 23 respondents said they had undergo this situation. The next thing is our respondents' sleep patterns. During weekdays, our respondents' typical bedtime is from 9 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. and during weekends it is from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Nur Ajarna binti Irwan Syuhada and I'm from K10. So in conclusion, what I can learn from this experiment is that having enough sleep is very important based on our mental, our mind and our physical health. Not only sleep gives our body time to rest and recharge, it may also be crucial to our brain's ability to learn and remember. Therefore, we need to improve our lifestyle to go to sleep and wake up at the same time each day.